Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a rose water very quickly and using fresh rose petals. So I use all these fresh petals to make a rose water with just you need hot water and then fresh rose petal, that's it, and you can make a rose water. So let's start this one. Hello friends, welcome in my video. Here I would like to show you how to make rose water very quickly. So I have here some fresh rose petal which I have collected today in the morning, and they are all collected before almost sunrise, 6 a.m. or early. So for that I'm using this. I have a coffee filter and this is a glass jar, and I need boiling water. So what I will do, I will add as many as I can put the flower petal in this coffee filter. I think this will be enough. And then so basically I'm making like a tea bag like this one, you can see, and use this, make sure they are all in. So this time I'm using all the fresh rose petal, and we can try to, if you do not find any fresh rose petal, maybe we can you can collect all those. So let's close them. And then what I will do, I will put this flower, rose petal flower, in this jar, and then I will add hot water. So I will bring hot boiling water and will show you. So here I'm boiling this water in this kettle, and I took RO water, so it would be better as much as clean you can take water. And then I will add this really hot water into our bottle. So now it's you can see I have added hot water in this container. And this rose will infuse their smell in this hot water. So I will close it and leave it for till it's come at room temperature by its own, and I will show you after some time how they changes the color. So I use this method. Maybe occasionally it will be better if I just shake it. So in this way at least we can avoid all the some gunk of the petals. Only smell and only rose petal oil will come in this water. And this is easy. It's very hot right now, and that's why I'm just holding from the top. It's a very easy and quick method to get rose oil, making rose water. And we can repeat this process with these flower once again. Make another like this. We can wrap some more flowers into coffee filter and then add into this but this time I will do only one time because I just want to see how the water will come out, how this rose water will come out. And it's there, so you can see I'm not using any organic solvent, nothing, no extraction. So usually solvent extraction remove all the nutrients, but in this way you can maintain all the nutrients, and I will show you after some time how it works. So now this is almost 2.5 hours done, and the water is cooled down at room temperature. You can see all the rose petal have loses the color, and their color comes in very nice in this glass jar, and I can transfer this. Here is very important thing: after adding the boiling water, I did not open the lid. Now I'm opening this lid, and when I smell it, it's have really good rose smell. So we can transfer this into a spray bottle. And here is our rose water spray is ready for, and this rose water spray is very good. Nurse. So it's very simple to make rose water, very quick. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.